Today we're going to bring a light socket camera, and this is a perfect camera if you want to set up in front of your porch. It'll act exactly as a light too also, because there's LED lights. There's a reset button, and there's a micro SD card if you don't want to pay for the cloud service. Now this is a great function that you can just screw into your light bulb, any socket that you have. If you don't have a socket, you can always plug it in. They give you the adapter to plug it in to a 2-prong connection. They give you the actual manual and where to download the application. So we're going to put this together and see how it looks in day and night. Set up our camera in our tent. This is our tent.
All right, this is a test. We're testing out the camera in the day, so we're going to come back at night and see how it looks at night.
All right, let's take a look at the camera. This camera, it's pretty much, you could control it. You could set up timers. You have a lot of the information. You have devices, alerts, and cloud, mall, and then more information. So we're going to go into the camera itself so you guys can see some of the features on the camera. You got alerts, all right? You got replay, console, positions. That means that you could, this camera can remember certain spots, all right? So it could, if you hit spot number 1, it will automatically go on spot number 1, number 2, light on and off, siren, talk, that means two-way mode. And right now we're going to go in console so you guys can see how easy it is. So I'm going to move to the right. So you have certain degrees that you can see, but if you guys can see, I'm actually moving the camera all around, and I could tell the camera to remember positions in here. All right, so you can see the inside where I'm actually, my shop where I work in the back. You guys can see that, and I move the positions anywhere. Now I could console in this, and I could do two-way. Right now, currently, we have the light on. We're gonna turn it off, and you're gonna see the night mode kicking in. And also, we're gonna change the quality of it. We're gonna put a higher quality, 2K quality, and you can see also the quality. Now, changing the quality, it's also gonna change the actual speed of the connection. All right, so make sure that you're aware of that. So we still have positions, so we're gonna console in. We, like I say, quality doesn't change. I'm real close by, so my network's really it's spread around, so I have a good position where this thing could reach anywhere. And if you ever want to remember position, you could always go back to my position. I'm gonna say position number 1, and it goes back. So this one has a lot of great features. Under settings, you got more settings. You can invite people to it. You could do change motion detection, your network, and so forth. So 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.